From this year, this SimpleFile service will be available, a free service offered by Canada Revenue Agency to eligible individuals with lower income and a simple tax situation to file personal income tax and benefit. In case you are eligible, you will get result like this, and if you are not eligible, you will see result like this where it says you are not eligible. So this is free, secure and fast. It will take about 20 to 25 minutes for the entire filing to happen starting March 9, 2026, and this digital option will be available to individuals who are eligible with or without invitation. If you are eligible, you would be getting an invitation, or if you're not getting an invitation but you're eligible, you can still do the filing using SimpleFile. You have three options. One is SimpleFile Digital, where you will fill out the web form, and as I said earlier, available with or without invitation. You have SimpleFile by phone, and here it will take about 5 to 10 minutes when you call on the phone. This service is offered by invitation only. So you will get an invitation package. If you are eligible, you will get an invitation package, and that will include a phone number to call. If you have not got, that means you are not eligible, and this phone number is not available online. So basically, here there are no forms to fill out or calculation to do, and you do not need to speak to an agent. So when you receive an invitation, this phone will be available 21 hours a day between 6 a.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Time, and it's going to be 7 days a week starting from March 9 ending January 29, 2027. So this is the information, and after your filing is done, CRA will send a notice of assessment with outcome of tax return, and this document you need to keep it for 6 years in case CRA asks to see them. Paper based, again you will be sent an invitation. If you have not received invitation, that means you are not eligible, and once you get that, it takes about 25 minutes or less. Once you get the package by invitation, this will include the paper return and provides the information you will need to fill using this method. You do not need to have income to use this filing method. If you do have income, it must be under a certain threshold and from a certain source. So all those package will have the detail, and in case your personal situation changes and has something beyond the scope, then you may no longer be able to use this filing method, which you will get to know when the paper comes to you. Again, once you provide the personal information, provide information about your income on the form provided in the invitation package and send it back to CRA using the envelope provided, CRA will send notice of assessment with outcome of your tax return, and then these supporting documents you have to keep it for 6 years in case CRA. To find out if you can use SimpleFile Digital, you can just come here and here answer some of the question which has been asked. Were you resident of Canada for tax purpose from January 1st to December 31st, 2025? Once you make a response, then if it is yes, now it asks, do you have exempt income under Indian Act? And once you make a response, again, next question comes, which province or territory do you live in on December 31st, 2025? So I am selecting Ontario, and once I make that selection, it asks under 65-year-old or 65-year-old. Once that is selected, were you eligible for disability tax credit in 2025? Make a selection, and did you earn income from the following sources in 2025? And once you make your response, say I'm selecting I have no income. Are you eligible for any of the benefit credit or deduction from list provided? Here the list has been given. Once you go through that and you make a selection, do you have any of the following applying to your situation. You sold your principal residence in 2025, you moved from one province or territory to another in 2025, you are bankrupt, you are filing for someone else. Once you make that selection, here again, one more question comes. Did you own specific foreign property with total cost amount of all property more than 100K Canadian dollar in 2025? Once you make a selection, have you had to repay amount to specific government program? Make a selection. Did you get invitation to use SimpleFile Digital? Here you make a selection. Then based on the selection above, you will see the answer if you are eligible or not. In case you are eligible, you will be shown this. You may be eligible to file using SimpleFile Digital web form. You will need to provide access code. You can find the access code on your 2024 tax notice of assessment, which is the 8-character unique code, which will be here. If you look at your previous year notice of assessment, it will be here. And you'll have to provide additional information before you proceed. This is the digital form, which is currently not available because it's going to be available from March 9, 2026 on. What you make, in case you are ineligible, you will get this message. You are not eligible to use SimpleFile Digital. So you can then look for other tax option. I made a video on how you can use Simple to file your taxes for free or pay what you can. You can check that video out.